Hello everyone, so today I have a tutorial on how to easily set up remote desktop on Windows 11. So simply you just need to go to the Windows bar, type on remote desktop settings, click on it. I've already enabled it. If it is not enabled, go on and enable it. Now you can see over here the PC name. So we need to use this name to connect to another device you want to connect to. Copy this and use this name to connect with another device. So if you're using a Windows 10 and this name is not available over here, what you have to do is go to the Windows bar, right click it, go to the system. You can see here device name, copy it and use it in the another PC. Now in another PC, what you have to do is go to the remote desktop connection and you need to put here the name of the computer that you want to connect. This way you can click on connect and your device is connected remotely. Thank you so much for watching.